Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to use the given when in Perl. I'd like to point out this is depreciated now in modern Perl, so you can't really do it anymore, but I'm just going to run through it anyway. So we have to import this here, use feature switch for this. So I'm going to go through, this is going to be an example. So what I've done, I've created my scalar day here and assign it to Monday, and we say given and then scalar day when Monday, print start of the week, when Friday, print weekend is coming, a new line, and then we've got the default if that's not in there, which says print another day. Okay, so I'm just going to call this program here. Let's have a look. Let me just blank this out here a little bit. Okay, where's that gone? I'm going to run it in a minute. I should have actually created this as a subroutine, but never mind. This is what we call old Perl, and I'll just show you down here in a minute or two what we use instead of this now. So I'll just save that. Let's just run the program. Okay, it says here given is depreciated. When it's depreciated, it just tells us here that it's been depreciated, like I said. So we've got start of the week here, which is Monday. If I say Friday here, let's just save that. So Friday, and it should say the weekend is coming. Okay, there we go, weekend is coming. And if we type in anything else, let's say Tuesday, let's type that in. Okay, another day. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of that here. Just get rid of it for a minute. So the better and easier way of doing this these days is just through using the if conditional, else if, and else statements. This is the best way for doing it. So let's just have a look at. Okay, I forgot to type in my scalar day here, and I'm going to assign it to Monday. Okay, let's just save that. Let's just run it. Okay, so we've got Monday there. Again, if I just assign it to Friday, we're just going to print Friday there. If you assign it to Tuesday, we're just going to print another day. So that's about it. Thank you very much for coming along with me, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. It will help my channel grow, because it needs to grow. It's kind of like I've only got like 800 subscribers after about 3 years of work on here, so yeah, I need all the help I can get. And also give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.